Welcome to the online session of Sri Kokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijayalakshmi, your maths teacher. Today, let us learn how to multiply a number with 0. Now let us learn how to multiply a number with 0. What will be the answer when you multiply a number with 0? Okay, for example, let us take the zeros here. What is 0 plus 0 plus 0? That is also equal to 0. But how do we write this in the multiplication form? Can anybody tell me? Or can you tell me? Okay, so how many zeros are there? 1, 2 and 3, isn't it? So you write it as 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So 3 times 0 is equal to 0. So what did you get the answer when you multiply a number with 0? You got the answer as 0. Now let us see one more example. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Now what will be the answer when you add the zeros? Yes, it is 0, isn't it? So now let us write this in the multiplication form. First count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Isn't it? So 6 times 0 is equal to 0. Here also, what did you get the answer? 6 times 0 is equal to 0. Here also you have got it as 3 times 0 is equal to 0. So, did you understand what is the meaning of this? Yes, when you multiply a number with 0, the answer is always 0. Okay, so when you once again I am going to tell you, when you multiply a number with 0, the answer is always 0. How to multiply a number with 0? Let us consider the plates here. Here we can see that nothing is there in the plate. So, what will we write? 0 plus 0 plus 0. And that is always equal to 0. Isn't it? So, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now, how do we write this in the multiplication form? Yes. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros, isn't it? So let us write it as 3 into 0 is equal to 0. So 3 times 0 is equal to 0. So you have multiplied 3 with 0 and the answer is 0. Now let us see one more example. Now let us consider some baskets here. Okay. Can you see anything in the basket? No, there is nothing in the basket, isn't it? So, there are 0 things in the basket. So, let us add them 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to again how much? Yes, it is 0, isn't it? So, how do we write this in the multiplication form? Yes, 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. How do we write this in the multiplication form? Yes, 5 into 0 is equal to 0. Isn't it? So, we have got that when you multiply a number with 0, the answer is always 0. So, remember children, when we multiply a number with 0, the answer is always 0. Okay. Now, let us learn how to multiply on a number line. For example, multiply 4 into 3. That means we have to skip 3 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, where did we stop? Yes, we are 12. So, what is 4 into 3? 12. Now, let us multiply 5 into 4. That means we have to skip 4 numbers 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, where did we stop? Yes, near 20. So, 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Easy, isn't it, children? Now, let us multiply the number 6 into 2. That means the number 2 is skipped 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, what will be the answer? Yes, it is 12. So, 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Now, you have learned to multiply on a number line. Children, you have to remember some points when we draw a number line. First thing is, always start from the number 0. Do not count the number at the beginning as you will get a wrong answer. So that's all in today's class, children. Go through the animation video, write on the notes and do the problems and study well. Okay, see you next time. Goodbye.